Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today is going to be an extreme clean with me kind of video. I already started the process with my husband and I. We are tackling our backyard, so hopefully y'all are motivated to just get your house in order over the summer. And like I mentioned in my other video, on which I'll insert if you missed it, we have a lot of renovation plans. But first we must declutter and deep clean and just make room for those remodeling ideas that we are looking forward to putting into place. All right, so like I said, we already started the process, and I'll try to share as many clips as possible because we're working hard and it's hot. It's like stone down here. Yeah. There's a lot of stones down there. There you go. Isn't it satisfying when it finally uproots? Wow. Hot out here. Okay, I should get back to work. Oh, wow. How many, yeah, because I seen a snake. I'm like, is that a lizard? A long lizard? I'm glad we're getting rid of this stuff. Because it was over there. You remember I told you? I seen something long. That was a snake. And I'm thinking it was an iguana or something. Oh well. But that snake was right over there. He must have went. Where he went? He went in that crack. Somewhere. It's a black one. Probably was a garden snake. Yeah, these purple plants, they multiply a lot. Don't worry, butterflies. We're gonna plant some vegetables back here. And around the AC unit, because we are going to get a new AC unit, so we have to have everything cleared away. Right, husband? Said right, husband? Little earthworms. Now this area, perfect for a garden. It's a lot of moisture. All right, so it's finally cleared. We're just loading the bags to put in a dumpster. Made great progress today. So next on the agenda, we're going to open our shutters. I'm going to deep clean the windows, and we're just going to neaten our shutters up. So stay tuned for that. Thanks y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and was motivated to tackle real home projects. I know it wasn't nothing fancy, no music or anything to this video, but overall, I wanted y'all to get true motivation. Whew, I'm out of breath. All right, y'all, so make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up so I can know to share more, and also share my videos. All right, be blessed, y'all. Take care. Bye, y'all.